Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. So I do my best to keep my word, and I said that I was going to film a eyeshadow look for you guys, something a little bit more serious, because all of my looks that I've usually done for makeup, I've done that are very like easy, very quick, just very achievable looks. So because I got skills a little bit, like I wanted to show you guys what I actually could do that wasn't just like a quick, simple and achievable look. This is the look, and it is achievable. And so I am going to show you guys all of the stuff that I do. Now listen, okay, I am not a makeup artist, and this look that I have right now, I actually got off Pinterest and I went by that. And I was like, I wonder if I can mimic that look. And I think I did it. I was talking to my mom while I was doing the look, and I'm like, what do you think? And my mom is really just like not really that into makeup, and she never really was, but she was like, oh, it looks cute. So I am trying to take my mom's word for it. I'm trying to take my mother's word for it. So hopefully this is a good look. But I wanted something golden, something sunny, something like a sunset. And for black girls, I wanted my darker girls to know that we can achieve these type of looks. But this look will pretty much work on anybody, any skin tone, any ethnicity, any race, whatever. If you want this look, you go right ahead and keep watching. For our look, and make sure it stays all day, we're going to go right in with the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white. And a little definitely goes a long way with this product. You do not need a lot. Then we're going to go right in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. And as you can see, it is overused because I really love this palette. And the first color that I'm going into my crease with is Pukey. And I'm using a fluffy brush that I got from a Morphe packet. And with that same brush, I'm going to go right back into my crease with the color Pooter. I'm going in pretty light first because I don't want to overwhelm the lid with this look, but I'm going to go back a little bit later and add a little more color. But for now, just light. Next, I'm going to take the color Hilster, and because I'm trying to do the halo method with this look, I just want to stay right on the outside. Just the outer corner with this, going low and then going high, but not too far into the crease. And then I'm going to go into the inner corner and do exactly the same thing. Not too far into the crease. Then I tried to go back in with Pooter and increase the color a little bit, but I got a little too happy and had to blend that out. Then I'm going to go onto my lid with my NYX HD concealer in the color Tan. And I use this to bring out the color of the lid a little bit more. Then I'm taking Beam and putting it right over where I put that concealer, just to make it pop. And for my brow color, I'm taking the color Hunt and putting that right under the brow and then blending it in with the rest of the lid. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360 Mocha and put that all over my face and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. And because highlighting under my eyes is one of my favorites to look awake, I'm going to take that same concealer and blend that right out. And my camera cut out some spots, but I'm taking Pooter and putting it on my lower lash line, and then taking Beam and putting that on my inner corner to make it pop. And then because I'm not wearing lashes, I'm taking a whole bunch of mascara and putting it on every single lash. Then for my blush, I'm taking Tarte in the color Feisty and putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And my highlight is Goldie from Elizabeth Mott, and I'm using that on the high points of my cheeks and the tip of my nose. I'm taking some translucent powder and putting it on my T-zone because that's where I get the oiliest. And for lips, I'm using LA Colors Gloss in the color Dollhouse, and I am obsessed with this gloss. And of course, honey, thou shalt not leave the house without setting spray. Alright, girl, I had to go lay my edges a little bit because I was looking a little rough in that video, okay? Like, the edges was not coming together. I mixed and matched all of the products that I use. Like, I use things that were from Ulta, the drugstore, like Target and everything, but I used palettes that I had, like things that I had from my birthday that people gifted to me and all of those things. But I believe my next look will probably be something that is straight from the drugstore, just like Target or Walmart or CVS, somewhere where you guys can go and get the look start to finish, every single product. You can't go right and get all of the things that I use today, but I just feel like some of the palettes and maybe some of the other things that I use, you may be a little bit confused on when you get to the store. So, or it's not at that store, you got to go to a different store. You got to go to like Sephora, or you got to order from Amazon or something like that. It might just be a little bit better if you can go straight to the store and get everything from start to finish. True to self, I didn't really use, I didn't use any lashes. I didn't use any contouring or anything like that. It's not that I don't use those things or want to use those things, but even though I kind of like played up like the look a lot this time, I believe that most of the time people don't do lashes all the time and people don't contour all the time. So I always like to give you guys looks that are really achievable on an everyday basis. And although this took a little bit of time and it might take you some time to do it, it's not where it's too hard to do it and really time consuming. So, you know, if you add lashes into it, that'll definitely pop and take your look off. I actually will do a lash look pretty soon for you guys. But I just wanted to show you that, you know, mascara can just play up your eyes and that you can just highlight points of your face that you want to show off and things like that. So there you have it. If you guys have any other suggestions for any looks or anything that you want to see or anything that you're confused on, things that you're like, you know what, I like how you explain things, so I'd rather you do this look so you can explain it to me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Go to accordingtocandacerae.com so you can get more of me. Watch my other videos. I have linked my videos below for you guys. Follow me on social media at Candace Rae Can, because I am trying to be everywhere. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend, because I need everybody to be a part of the family. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.